Hey everybody, Shu here. Figured to do a little review on the CopCam. Sounds really cool. It's a motion activated HD security camera. You can, according to the box, you can use a security camera, body camera, dash cam, sports cam, or a nanny cam, and more. This is one of those as seen on TV products. And it's by the makers of Atomic Beam, which lately Atomic Beam has been making better and better products. So you would think, hey, Atomic Beam. And we picked this up at Bed Bath & Beyond, which is normally, they have high quality stuff from what I can tell. I don't shop in there very much, but we just happened to have went through there and I seen this. So hey, figure, I do a lot with cameras, so I figured I'd give this a try. And I'm actually amazed at this product. So stay tuned, stand by, and we'll get to my quick review of this. Alrighty. First thing you'll notice is it is small. It is literally 1 inch, approximately 1 inch, and this comes, let's see, small and discreet. Comes with a 8 megabyte memory card, but you can use up to a 32 megabyte, which is not included, of course. It records day or night, HD 720, which that's okay. Motion activated loop records. I don't like loop records. Powerful microphone, 45-minute work time. And it has a whole bunch of other stuff on it. Again, multiple uses. CopCam. Makes it sound really interesting. We're going to go ahead and open it up and see what this big box has to offer. Yeah. Okay, make sure there's nothing else here. Yep, nothing else there. Alright, so you have your basic little pieces. Screw mounts, two-sided sticky mount. That's going to be for a wall mount. So you can attach your camera to this piece. You can actually mount it to your wall, or you can mount it to something flat. You might mount your camera on there. Let's get the camera out. There we go. And it is small. It says CopCam. That's the bulb head symbol. Press to record. And there's your SD card. So the SD card's already installed. Little 8mm SD card. Let's see if it's any no name brand, but it's a free SD card, so can't argue with that. Alrighty, L5 4018 must be the model number. It's got LEDs going around it. That's going to be for the night vision. HD 720 1.3. Says 1.3 meters on the front. I guess that's going to be for the lens. I don't know if you've noticed or not, but it kind of looks like the design of a badge there on there. And we have a, alright, this is a shirt clip. Shirt clip or for your backpack. Let's see. Alright, this is a simple idea. Just clip it on. Boom. You're ready to go. And of course you got your USB cable. Micro USB cable. You plug it up, charge it, and download your images. You can also pop out the SD card. So we're going to give this little thing a try. We're going to see how this works as a dash cam, and we'll go walking around the mall and probably a couple other places and give it a try. See what happens. CopCam. I guess cops are supposed to use this. Alright, we're going to try going in the mall. First thing you notice is to try this as a dash cam, and as soon as the sun hit it, it was off video. If you don't know it, your turn signal.
They were blowing at you?
Yep. Then we went over to Home Depot, and as I was recording, there's no indication, but the mic keeps going in and out.
I'm not gonna go across. That was great.
I know.
Hi. I didn't know that. That's so cool.
You're smiling and everything. She was just saying somebody should take your picture.
Yeah, I saw you with the 2 points at it.
And then he's like, Lowe's has them for 50 cents.
Home Depot's better than Lowe's.
And then my case went, he's like, I'm not going across the street. I said, neither am I. But thank you.
How are you? Maybe we need to say that.
At least I'm smiling, right? I would like that too. Like,
I'm trying this out in the bathroom, and the light only reaches with the camera about 3 feet away, which is not very good if you're trying to cover any kind of room, even your bathroom. But if you've been watching the video and you got this far, if you've noticed, right there the time and date is 2018, February 8th. There is nothing in the manual that says how to change this. There's no settings, no nothing. So unless you start your video on that day, every video you ever make is going to have that, and there's no option to remove that timestamp. So in regards to the, by the makers of Atomic Beam, CopCam, motion activated HD security camera, which is supposed to be a security cam, body cam, dash cam, sport cam, nanny cam, and much more, for the price tag of $40 for this little thing, I definitely give this a thumbs down. I couldn't find not one thing that was impressive of this at all. So yeah, I mean, you might be able to put it on a shelf and it might work good as a static cam, just sitting on a shelf somewhere. But other than that, I can't see anywhere where this would be handy as far as if you want to use it hiking or camping, anything like that. Because I mean, even the night vision only goes about 3 feet. So if you're inside your tent and you're using it remotely on your phone, if it even has that option, which I don't see, there's nothing that shows Wi-Fi even on this. But you can run a USB cable to it. But other than that, yeah, I can't find anything at all worth $40 for this little camera. Great novelty, but that's about it. So if you like the review, go ahead and just throw a thumbs up. If you have one of these and it's working great for you and you can change that date and time, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Let me know, because I would love to know how you could change the date and time on this thing just for kicks and giggles. So until next time, y'all have a good one. Hope to see you out there.